Yo, what's up, money savers? Right now, the average American is accidentally throwing away $7,800 a year, that's almost $650 a month, straight into the trash, and most of you have zero clue it's happening. By the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the 28 sneaky ways you're bleeding money in coming years, and exactly how to plug those leaks and pocket an extra $500 $1,000 every single month, without living like a cheapskate. Hit the like button if you're tired of being broke, and let's dive in. Welcome to the Money Leak Audit. Today our topic is about how Americans waste money without realizing what's good. Fam, welcome back to Saving Money, the channel where we turn broke habits into bank. Today we're doing a full money leak audit on the average American household. We're talking real numbers from current year data, Bureau of Labor Statistics, Federal Reserve, NerdWallet, you name it. Stick around till the end because leak 27 is the one that makes grown adults almost cry when they calculate how much they've lost. Let's get it. #2. The average American is leaking $7,800 per year, latest stats. Here's the scary pie chart show on screen. Food and dining, 28% of leaks. Subscriptions and apps, 19%. Transportation, 17%. Shopping habits, 15%. Housing creep, 11%. Everything else, 10%. We're about to go through every slice. #3. Leak number 1, the daily coffee shop trap. You think that $6 latte is just coffee? Wrong. That's $6 times 22 workdays equals $132 month. Equals $1,584 a year. 2 people in the house. That's a used car every year. Tip: get a $30 electric gooseneck kettle plus air. Same quality in 60 days, it pays for itself. #4. Leak number 2, eating out because I'm tired. Average American eats out 5.9 times a week, 2025 data. That's $18.25 per meal times 5.9 equals easily $600 $900 month for a family of 4. Hack 15-minute meal system. I'll drop my free PDF in description. #5. Leak number 3, the grocery store quick trip lie. You go in for milk and bread, leave with $87 worth of stuff. Upsold BN caps and buy 10 for $10 deals. Pro trick: use the Walmart Target app. Order online. Curbside pickup equals 40% less impulse buys. #6. Leak number 4, brand loyalty is robbing you blind. Name brand cereal versus store brand equals $2.80 savings per box. Do that. 3 a week equals $436 year Stop flexing with frosted flakes in your pantry. #7. Leak number 5, the subscription graveyard. Average American pays for 13 subscriptions but only uses for regularly. That's $237 a month on autopilot. Rocket Money current year report. Do this right now. Open your bank, an app gives Mint, Rocket Money, or Trim gives cancel everything you haven't used in 30 days. Anoche leak says Amazon one-click demon. Prime members spend 2.7 more than non-members. Turn off one-click ordering. Force yourself to wait 48 hours. 70% of items never make it to cart. #9. Leak number 7, the phone bill scam nobody talks about. Average family plan in 2025, $225, $280 month. Switch to Mint Mobile, Visible, or US Mobile equals $35, $55. Line a family of 4 saves $2,000, $3,000 year easy. And this leak number 8, extended warranties and protection plans. Best Buy makes more profit on the $49 protection plan than the $400 TV. 99.4% of people never use them. decline every time. On say leak number 9, buying new cars, the biggest middle class trap. New car loses 20 to 30% value the second you drive off the lot. Buy 2 to 3-year-old certified pre-owned gifts, save $12,000, $25,000 instantly. 12. Leak number 10, the buy now pay later curse. Afterpay Klarna. Affirm users spend 30 to 50% more. You're paying 0% interest. But buy in Shasterisk T, you don't need. Hash 13. Leak number 11, bank fees, astray theft, overdraft fees. ATM fees, monthly maintenance equals Americans paid asterisk $11.6 billion asterisk in 2024 Sweet Stoaji. SoFi, Capital One, 360 fees forever. Hash 14. Leak number 12, not using cashback and rewards. Properly, you're leaving 2 to 10% on the table every purchase. Best combo in coming years. 5% groceries gives Blue Cash, preferred to 5% gas gives Duck Unlimited Card or City Custom Cash. 3 to 6% dining gives Capital One, Saver One. I'll link my full credit card tier list below. Hash 15. Leak number 13, paying for premium gas. Unless your owner is Emmanuel says premium required, you're burning money. AAA study. 17 million drivers waste $0.1 billion yearly on premium. And this is League 14. The I deserve this shopping therapy motion. Spending is the one wealth killer for millennials and Gen Z. Try the 30-day rule plus hell yeah or no filter. Hash 17. Leak number 15, letting food expire in the fridge. Average family throws out $1,500 of food per year. Use FIFO, first in, first out. Freeze everything. Meal prep Sundays. And the 18. Leak number 16. Paying full price for anything in coming years, honey. Capital One shopping. Rakuten equals 8 to 25% back. Never pay full price again. That's rookie behavior. Hash 19. Leak number 17. The streaming bundle paradox. You went from $12 Netflix to $97 in bundles trying to save money. Rotate services monthly. Free trials plus gift cards equals under $15 month total. Ambiente. Leak number 18, gym memberships. You go 70% of members go less than once a month but still pay $58 a month. Cancel it. Buy a $200 kettlebell set and some resistance bands paid off in 4 months. Hash 21. Leak number 19. The 401k match you're leaving on the table. 6 out of 10 Americans don't max their company match. That's literally free money. 100% return on day one. Ambentidos. Leak number 20. Keeping your savings in a 0.01% account. Big banks pay you nothing. Move to high-yield savings. Minus 5.25% at UFP Direct, Basque Bank, or CIT Bank. As of November last year, $10,000 earning 5.25% equals $525 year free. Hash 23. Leak number 21. Paying for cable. In coming years, average cable bill $220 plus month. YouTube TV plus antennas plus free trials equals under $30 month. And 24. Leak number 22. Buying bottled water $2 a bottle times 300 days equals $600 a year. Buy a $40 Perky or clearly filtered pitcher. Tastes better anyway. Hash 25. Leak number 23. The keeping up with the Joneses curse. Your neighbor got a new F-150. Now you want one. Lifestyle creep is the silent killer of wealth. Hash 26. Leak number 24. Not negotiating bills. 70% of people who call and ask get discounts, internet, phone, insurance, negotiate every 12 months. Hash 27. Leak number 25. The credit card interest nightmare. Average household pays $1,200 year. In credit card interest. If you carry a balance, do 0% balance transfer. Chase Slate, AG, City Diamond or Dead Snowball. Hash 28. Leak number 26. Buying luxury because I made it. Rolex, Gucci, new iPhone every year. You're not rich, you're renting a lifestyle. 29. Leak number 27. The one that hurts. Compound interest in reverse. Show calculator on screen. $18 day wasted times 365 days equals $6,570 year. Invested at 8% for 30 years equals $2,400,000 plus lost that's the real cost. You're not just wasting $18, you're robbing 70-year-old you of millions. And 30, your 30-day money leak challenge. Here's your homework, fam. 1. Pause this video. 2. Open your bank app. 3. Go through last 30 days and tag every stupid purchase. 4. Cancel 3 subscriptions today. 5. Switch 1 bill phone. Insurance, whatever. Drop in the comments how much you find in leaks. Top 3 biggest, I'll shout out next video. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe, turn on the bell. We drop bangers like this every single week. You got this. Stop leaking. Start stacking. Peace out. Money savers.